In today's video, I want to guide you on how to fix some key not working on laptop keyboard. This can be annoying. Guys, in this video, I will show you two major ways which we can follow to fix this issue. The second step is the most accurate and most active one. So we're going to move on now. The first thing you have to do is to be sure that you update the keyboard drivers on your laptop PC. This can be carried out in a very simple process. Start button, right click on it, then click on device manager. Click on device manager, you have something like this, then locate the keyboard here and click on the arrow and expand it. Now it has to do with the number of keyboard you have here. Here I have two keyboard here in single line, standard 101/102 key or Microsoft Natural PX/2 keyboard for HP hotkey support. Now, irrespective of the drivers you have here, if you have one, right click on it, click on update driver. Once you've done that, click on search automatically for drivers. Then follow on the screen process. If you have something like this, update driver, standard this or this, the best driver for your device are already installed. Now close this button. So if you have multiple drivers here, do the same thing for the multiple drivers. Then click on this button to close this window, restart your system and see if it works. And if it does not work, then let's move on to the next step. Meanwhile, if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. The next step is very simple as well. You need to initiate the on-screen keyboard. To do that is very simple. You can do that in two different ways. The first thing you have to do is combine window key plus control key plus O key by bringing this keyboard in case the keyboard is not working right away. Now all you have to do is to use your mouse, click on the start menu or start button here, click on settings. Once you click on settings, locate and click on accessibility at this left side corner here. Under accessibility, scroll down until you get to interaction. You know we are interacting with your computer. Under interaction, click on keyboard. Once you are on keyboard, now locate on-screen keyboard. Here is on-screen keyboard. Toggle on this button to turn it on. Now that I've toggled on screen keyboard, close this one. Now let this one be up like this. So on the on-screen keyboard, move your mouse to this place, click on it, then type RUN. To bring out this run box here, click on it. Once you click on it, it brings it here. Now here, type regedit. Now click on enter button here. Once you click on enter button, you have something like this. Now you have something like this. Now that you have something like this, go and click on HK local machine, expand it. Under HK local machine, locate system, click on system. Once you click on system, then locate current control set, the third one here, click and expand it. Once you click on that one, then locate services, the last one under current control set, click on it to expand it. Once you expand this, then carefully locate I8042PRT. This one, click on I8042PRT, click on it. Once you click on it, you have something like this. Locate start, here is start. In case you don't have start here, you need to add start on your own. Here is how to add start. Right click on the free space, move your mouse over this arrow, then click on this button that says deal word 32-bit value. You click on it. Once you click on it, you write start here. So once you click on it, you write start. Then so I assume now you have written the start here. Now that I've written the start, you can double click on this start to bring out this information. You can as well right click on the start, click on modify to bring out this information. Make sure you click on hexadecimal. Now change the value to 1. Click OK. Close this page. Once you close this page, restart your system. Now try use your keyboard and let me know if it works. That's all guys on how to fix some key not working on laptop keyboard. If you enjoy this tip, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.